still let in. Somebody just fired off a shot. Okay, there's one child over there. Could you go check the house? Make sure everybody's good. Alright, YouTube. Another video. Today, Jeremiah gonna put in some work. So there he is right there. And this thing's supposed to switch and it's not switching. Alright, there he is, and we gotta get everything ready. But today we're gonna be doing his dashboard, some of his interior pieces. He's gonna flock them. I'm gonna watch. I've never flocked before, so it's gonna be a learning experience for both of us. So, all right, you ready to do this? You might want to put on a t-shirt, man, because it's hot out here.
But like, this is normal in El Paso. Why would it not be?
No, where's Trinity?
She's out here somewhere.
Huh?
She's over there, but it's fine. We'll be in the
Trinity.
All right, everybody say hello to one of my #1 supporters. You're on YouTube.
Sitting here on the fence.
She didn't hear me.
Get over here. Get over here.
This is what true sadness looks like.
You didn't hear me.
What was that?
You on
Keep
YouTube.
videoing me.
All right, so we thought that the shed was gonna be a little damp, cold. We're gonna come in the sun, but it's not that bad. And since the glue has a 3 to 5 minute work time, I think if we did it in a colder environment, it'll give us more time to work with it, and we should be fine. So we're gonna stay in the shed and get it done. It's kind of dark in here. We got a light in the ceiling. So we're gonna set everything up and experiment with flocking. So I'm gonna have to get something over here to put this on so you guys can see everything's going on. Man, it's my pre-retirement look, you know what I'm saying? Trying it out.
Guys, here we are. It is December still, or January if you're watching this, or March if you're watching this. Today,
they get it in January.
they'll get it in January. Well, I'm also taking into account, like, you know, when people watch this. So, we got some Grime Boss wipes. We got some flocking powder. We got some A-pillars, and then we've got what is this? This
Brush.
It's a brush. I don't know. It actually didn't click. And then we got adhesive. So today, I'm pretty sure you can tell what we're gonna do together. What we're gonna be doing with all this stuff together. Okay, so I'm gonna be setting this down, cleaning this up, making sure it's all good, and then I'm gonna be taking this adhesive and this flocking powder. Hopefully it's enough to cover my A-pillars, my dashboard. What else we got? My airbag. Not the airbag itself. That'd be a little bit difficult. So today, that's what we're gonna get started into. And here we go. First step is cleaning up and making sure that all this stuff is good. Again, I've never done this. Altarki has never done this. So I'm gonna hopefully assume that all I gotta do is clean this off. And then we're gonna test some stuff out. Hopefully this isn't something where we have to actually sand it all the way down after cleaning this off.
We shouldn't have to. Just clean it up and
Start testing once it's dry.
Yep, so the plan is to do the A-pillars and airbag cover first, since they weren't primed like the dashboard was. He originally was going to paint the dashboard, but changed his mind, decided he wanted to flock it. They're still priming the dashboard. We're going to test a small area on the dashboard while we're doing these. Make sure the glue doesn't react differently to the primer.
just kind of falls off.
And yeah, so we're gonna test a small area on that, and if it does work, once these are done, we're gonna go ahead and do the whole dashboard. So hopefully 5-minute video, and hopefully he explains what he's done, because this is all his car, his project. Making a video how to flock dashboard and the interior pieces for you guys, and go from there. Alright, so I've got some grub, we're back. And glove box looks pretty good. Yeah. I'll show you what I was talking about earlier before we left. So this area right here, you guys can see it. Yep, right there. Zoom camera. You can see those little lines. So seems like there wasn't enough adhesive there for it to fill everything. So I think spray adhesive will fix that issue. Over here, this piece onto the steering wheel is pretty good. And on this A panel, or A pillar panel right here, so I'm gonna have to put some spray adhesive in that, fill that in. Somebody just fired off a shot. Okay, there's one child over there. Could you go check the house, make sure everybody's good? Okay, and apparently it's not a gunshot, it's fireworks from the neighbors. Can't see them, but it's coming from that direction. All right, so because of the size of the dashboard, we're gonna tackle it in pieces, so we're not trying to layer the whole thing in glue and make mistakes like we did with the side of the glove compartment and the A pillar panel. I'm gonna probably do this area right here, and then work our way up, just work in sections till we get it all done, pretty much. So, gonna get this done before the sun starts going down. We're gonna lock this place up in 12 to 24 hours, they say. Should be good to handle. Then we gotta get bags big enough to wrap it in, transport it back. There you have it, guys. Dashboard is done. 8 pillars, glove compartment, airbag, and under steering column. It's all done. We're just gonna clean this up. Yeah, I suggest y'all wear a mask. It doesn't have to be what do you call them? It doesn't have to be with that 95 whatever mask, just a regular face mask or a bandana. Keep the stuff out of your nostril. Yeah. I don't have this thing got me sneeze. But tomorrow it says give it 12 to 24 hours. So what time you got right now?
I have 14:52.
Alright, so it's 3 o'clock, 1500 for you military folks. We're gonna come back this time tomorrow. It's supposed to be warmer tomorrow, so what we're gonna do is tomorrow we'll get up, bring them out, put them somewhere in the sun so the dog doesn't get to them. Let the sun help to bake them instead of being in the shed. And we see how it turns out. Again, there are spots we got to hit with spray adhesive, put some more flock on there. We're gonna wait till everything is cured solidly before we do that, just to make sure. So we're gonna go to clean up. You guys ain't gotta watch that, but bring it back tomorrow, show you what the outcome is, and then that's another one in the books for the Celica. All right, hey, merch. Can't stress it enough. I need you guys to purchase some merch. It's for the channel. Right now, we are stressing straight hustle, no luck, because that's all we're doing with our schedules. Is hustling, trying to get this done, get you guys content. I know you guys are enjoying it, and I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget, you gotta comment and hit that like button. It's the only way I'm gonna get in the algorithm and, you know, keep bringing you guys better content. All right. So, hey, let's bring you guys back tomorrow. Show what we're working with, and we go from there. It's gonna be fun.